Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Featuring in this video are the two final Spring Garden stamping plates from Born Pretty store that I recently purchased. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Spring Garden L004 and L005. And as always, you can find where I purchased these from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. I'll be using a scraper and my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo Clear Stamper. I have 6 coloured nail tips and I'll be taking 3 swatches from each plate. And I'll be starting with Spring Garden L004. And for the first swatch I'll be using a yellow nail tip along with a plum coloured stamping polish. When using a plate like this, I just take random swatches which can give you nails like this one, which is just so pretty. For the second swatch I'll be using a pink nail tip along with a purple stamping polish. I'm doing this swatch of the lovebirds on the wire as when I photographed the photo swatches I wasn't very happy with the swatch. So hopefully this will show it in a much better colour combo, but again it is beautiful. For the third swatch I'm going to use a green coloured nail tip along with a teal green stamping polish. For this swatch, before placing down, I'm going to slightly turn the stamper and then stamp. This will make an amazing nail whatever colour combo you decide to do. It is just so pretty. You could even add some extra crystals to the centre of the flowers and that would really make it stand out. Moving on to Spring Garden's L005, and I'm going to be using an orange nail tip along with a red stamping polish. Now I think that maybe I should have used the plum stamping polish instead of the red. I think it would have stood out more, but it is really pretty and would work great with them flowers all coloured in. For the next swatch I'm going to use a light blue nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. This is the design I have on my thumb, middle and pinky, and it's the top of the tree. I really liked this as a swatch that I did, but it has come out so much better in the mani and this swatch, and I love the light blue base. Now it is a little bit darker than what I've used in my mani though. For the last swatch I'm going to use a purple coloured nail tip along with a pale pastel pink. Now with this swatch you could very easily add some colour not only to the butterflies but also to the flower design at the top. It would really look so pretty. Plates like these can really make some stunning nails. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from Spring Garden stamping plates. Spring Garden L004 is just stunning. Stamping plates like these have so many possibilities. Now I've taken 20 swatches and this was really only the beginning. But from the deer to the cat to the cactus or even the small flowers, there is some really beautiful images and they range in size as well. When I first saw this plate I was unsure on what I really thought of it and how I would actually make it work, but I really do like this plate. It's going to make some stunning spring and even summer manis. For the swatches I've used my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo Stamper that I used in the video. Now I am getting used to a new scraper. My old one went and snapped on me. I was not happy at all. One thing I have noticed with the Spring Gardens set is that they are fantastically engraved, which will give some really nice swatches for manis and anyone's ability of stamping, to be fair. I'm excited to return to see what other manis I can create. I had a lot of fun working with this Spring Garden L004. Well, to be honest, the whole set of Spring Garden, there is just so much detail, it is beautiful. So for the mani, I've used a pale pink nail polish and a purple stamping polish. Each nail I've stamped with a different stamp, and even though each nail is different, I love how it all works well together. I wasn't sure how I was going to create a mani from L004, but I have to say I really do like this one. Spring Garden L005 again is so beautiful, and I've taken 18 swatches in total using the Tiffany Duo stamper. I had the same feeling about L005 that I had with L004, but also after working with this plate, it has so many options for amazing nails. I can't think of any plates I have that have these pattern designs so close to each other, and I was unsure about how they would work, but they have worked great, as you can see from the swatches. There is a couple of swatches that I actually eventually want to turn into some manis. There was one swatch I did, and that's the deer's body, and I was like, okay, how in the world am I going to use that? I have to say that the swatch does look a little bit weird, but it is very cool though. Again, L005 has a lot of detail. The base of the tree, I was a little concerned I wouldn't pick it up right, but it looks really good though. If you missed the first 3 Spring Garden stamping plate video, you can find that in my Born Pretty playlist here on my channel, but the whole set is definitely worth a purchase. For the mani, as you have seen, I've used a light blue nail polish and a dark blue stamping polish. I've taken 2 swatches. The one I did in the swatch video, I've done over my thumb, middle and pinky, and then a different swatch for the ring and index finger. And I absolutely love this mani, but I did feel that it looked better matte than it did glossy, but I love it. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these 2 Spring Garden stamping plates from Born Pretty. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Comment below, I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.